Halo, assalamualaikum, kembali lagi ke channel aku, Dhini Eka. Yap, kali ini aku mau bikin tutorial makeup. Yang di video aku yang lalu itu aku bikin review NOVO, jadi aku akan bikin tutorial makeupnya dengan pakai NOVO eyeshadow. Untuk kalian yang baru bergabung di channel aku, jangan lupa juga untuk nonton video aku yang sebelum ini yang berisi tentang review produknya NOVO. Oke, nggak perlu lama-lama lagi, langsung saja kita ke tutorialnya.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
going on believing, and on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. But this time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it.
I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find. Don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down. I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find. Don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go. Let's go.
Sekian video aku kali ini. Terima kasih sudah menonton tutorialnya. Dan jangan lupa untuk like, subscribe, dan juga share ke sosial media yang kalian punya. Assalamualaikum.